What's the meaning of brontosaurus? Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus. The term brontosaurus refers to a genus of large, herbivorous dinosaurs that lived during the late Jurassic period. The name translates to thunder lizard due to their immense size and potentially loud footsteps. However, recent research has suggested that the brontosaurus may have been misclassified and is actually a subgenus of the genus Apatosaurus. Despite the confusion surrounding its classification, the brontosaurus remains an iconic and well-known dinosaur in popular culture.